In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Adobe Dimension by purging the shader cache. This process can be a game changer for anyone who's been experiencing performance issues or noticing large chunks of disk space mysteriously vanishing every time you open the app. Don't worry, it's a straightforward task that promises to help you reclaim both memory and smooth operation. Let's start by navigating to the menu bar on your Dimension interface. If you are using Windows, you'll want to click on Edit, and then look for the option that says Purge Shader Cache. For those on macOS, head to the Dimension menu instead and select the same option, Purge Shader Cache. This simple action clears out the shader cache, which is essentially a collection of temporary files created by Dimension to help it render images more efficiently. Over time, though, this cache can become bloated or corrupted, which might be the reason behind your app's sluggishness or excessive disk space usage. For those who might want to be a bit more thorough, there's an optional step you can consider. Although it's not officially documented by Adobe, some users find it beneficial to quit the app completely and manually delete any leftover cache folders, provided you know where these are located on your system. This extra step acts like a deep clean, ensuring there are no remnants left behind that could affect future performance. However, do proceed with caution, and only do this if you're comfortable with manually managing your system files. Now, a quick note here. Despite the recurrent mention of cache clearing in user forums, it's important to acknowledge that Adobe Dimension's official documentation does not feature a direct clear all cache or large cache dialog option. Users have reported significant disk space occupation, often losing several gigabytes simply upon launching the application. It's perplexing, but also a good reminder of why this step can be crucial in maintaining your software's integrity and performance. Once you've successfully purged the shader cache, go ahead and restart Adobe Dimension. By rebooting the app, you can assess whether there's an evident improvement in both performance and disk space usage. Keep an eye on those elements you noticed were lagging or causing concern. Hopefully, this process will leave you with a snappier, more efficient software experience. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you can make sure your Adobe Dimension runs smoother and doesn't eat up more disk space than it should. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more practical solutions like this.